Alright, so today we have a Lego Creator build for you, a little truck in there today. Unboxing and build should be pretty darn quick, only 54 pieces, so let's get into it. Alright, it's about to get crackly up in here. Let's unbox this beast. It's like one of the best parts is just opening it on up. Well, there we go, look at that. Oh, how'd a piece get all the way over there? Okay. Oh yeah, it should be pretty simple. A little instruction manual. Alright, I'm going to get all this stuff sorted quick. Well, it's looking like this one should be a pretty fast one, so let's get to it. Something fun about building little cars, I feel like. I always organize by color. I don't know what other people normally do. Makes everything feel so balanced, you know. A little under the weather, so I apologize for the voice today. Oh, did we already mess up? Wow, that did not take long at all. Holy cow. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this must be the little frame we're building here. A little grate on there. Okay. Bet that'll be like a hitch or something. Something neat. Alright, next chunk of stuff. We're throwing one of these, teal pieces on the bottom there? Something's going to hook onto the side. See how quickly we can get this thing together. I mean, it should be pretty darn fast. It's only not many pieces, you know. It's already taken shape. Look at that. Okay. Goes on the front. There's the little grill. Very cool. Let's see. And then looks like we're throwing this on the side. Put this there. Alright, switching pages here. Okay. Oh, that's the back. Kind of assumed it was going to be the opposite. Okay, so these neato little lights here. Oh, so they're the cattle catcher goes on the front. Neato. Neato burrito. Oh, we're almost already done. How about that? Oh, I almost missed these guys. I feel like I always miss a step at some point. That must have been on the last page. Oh, I must have missed something here too. Let's see. Where do we miss it? Where do we miss it? Oh. Okay, so with these guys, they go on there. Okay, so we missed 2 and 1 basically. Never said I was perfect, I suppose. There we go. They go on there like that. Okay, that looks much nicer. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then just the wheels and tires and the little lights. This bad boy will be wrapped up. Look at them rims. Well, there you have it. Neat little truck. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, think about subscribing. We'll do some more builds.